it's time to wake up in the morning, put your project to bed at night. You want to see what it looks like. I'm in my shop now. It's time for the big reveal.
Whoa, that looks super cool. That part that fell under the table was super cool.
It's a little soft with that.
Yeah, but like, whoa. See, this is like, whoa. Isn't that cool? Like, even just look at this one. Look at that.
Wow. Them are neat. We need to keep them.
Yeah. Let's keep them. There's a smaller one. But
So,
no.
good morning, everybody. It's the day after the pour reveal. We got some dog molds, the flower molds here, some starfish and turtles and clownfish. We utilize the epoxy from our pour, you know, our excess, so that way we can still make stuff with it.
Yep, and then we got some diamonds. We got some unicorn. We just got 2 of those because we didn't have enough anymore. And then we made some cats. And then we made a couple seashells and stuff. Hello, Mommy.
What are you doing up?
I don't know.
She wanted to come out here and look at our pretty table. Does it sound bad? Have a nice day.